guys, welcome back to Luxury Car Care. Quick video here for you. Literally, it's going to be pretty quick on the shop status. So I'm at the front door. There's the front door. There's one of my panels. You can see all the electrician, all the wires that are rerun. Amazing. All of that gets drywalled. There's a bar. That's the bar for the lobby. Sitting area TV. So you can see the big difference from last time. Office. So this is the opening for the 9-foot glass door. That's the counter for checkout. There's going to be shelving here to purchase products. My sign goes there. And then you walk back. If you're a customer, this is where you'd walk back. This will be the bathroom for the clients. Another big 9-foot opening, glass door. Walk through, clean room. So that goes back to this wall here, and then you see a huge garage door opening here. Black metal garage door, all glass, black framing that opens and closes to go back to the wet bay. And then you can see, if you look here, there's a little security, my security closet and AV closet. It's going to be right there. That is a sink with a faucet to fill up tanks and stuff for PPF. And then another 9-foot, 8-foot wide glass door system on the other side of my office. This is all clean room, employee room entrance from the clean room. And again, another 9-foot glass door. I talked about the garage door, and then another 9-foot glass door going back to the wash bay. So wash bay, drains are in, drains in. My $8,500 grease trap catcher is there. So that's up and all re-poured. HVAC stuff's here, getting ready for install. And then if you keep walking around here, so bank of cabinets here, hose reel for one of the vacuums, another hose reel on this side for the other vacuum, and then a bank of cabinets with uppers. Another glass door that goes from the employee room back into the detail bay. All right, sorry, I got a phone call. So detail bay and employee room, and then this is the entrance into the mechanical room. So FIAC compressor right here, vacuums on the wall, pressure washers on the wall. There's a basin sink here, and then my chemicals are going to go here for distribution. So we've come a long way. A lot of work to still do, but it's Saturday. Saturday, what is the date today? July 1st. It's Saturday, July 1st. I'm getting ready to go on vacation for a week. Take a little bit of deserved time off because I've been working my ass off. And not a lot's going to happen over this next week because of July 4th week. But it's starting to come into vision. It's starting to come into shape. It's kind of see what it's going to actually look like. And that up there, that's actually going to be a platform with a door that we can get up into. And that's going to be one of my sets of HVAC, hot water heater, and a lot of wiring and cabling and stuff. So, but it's also going to have a lot of storage. So a lot of it's not going to be easy to get up and down, but if I have to, I'll have storage up there, which I'll need because there's not a lot of storage anywhere else, because I'm using it all for cars. So, all right, guys, that was quick update. Wanted to kind of let you see what it looked like so far. I'm about, I'd say, 2 months away from moving is what the plan is. That's what the contractor's plan looks like. So we'll see if he is able to stick to it. Thanks. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.